GDPR breach: how a donation letter crossed the line. Imagine you've just been rushed to the hospital. Weeks later, a letter arrives in your mailbox, not from your doctor, but from the ambulance service, thanking you for your trust and asking for a donation. Feels off, right? That's what happened in Austria. And on April 30th, 2025, the Federal Administrative Court ruled that this exact practice broke GDPR rules, specifically Article 9, which protects sensitive personal data like health information. Here's the story. A woman was transported by ambulance in November 2023. During the rescue, basic personal data like her name and address were recorded for insurance billing. But then, that data was reused. The ambulance organization sent her a donation letter with the line, "Thank you for the trust you placed in us on the way to and from your treatment." That one sentence, referencing treatment, turned otherwise non-sensitive data into health data. Why? Because it connected her name and address to a medical service. That's enough under GDPR Article 415 to qualify as data concerning health. Now, here's the legal kicker. The organization claimed it could rely on legitimate interest under Article 61F for this purpose. But the court wasn't having it. Article 9.1 sets a clear ban on processing health data unless one of the narrow exceptions in Article 9.2 applies, like consent, legal obligation, or vital interest. None of those fit here. The court also criticized the controller's vague approach. Just adding a footnote about the change of purpose didn't cut it. And even though the original data collection was lawful, using that same data to solicit donations later on wasn't. So what does this mean for DPOs? First, even indirect clues, like thanking someone for a medical service, can make data sensitive. Second, never assume you can reuse patient or client data for marketing or fundraising without a valid legal basis. And third, context matters just as much as content. Make sure your teams understand when personal data crosses into special category territory. A single sentence can tip the scale. Like and subscribe if this helped sharpen your GDPR instincts. And stick with us for more real-world cases to help you lead smarter, stronger privacy programs. Thanks for watching.